What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. So we got an absolutely bullish update. Shout out to everybody yesterday that followed that not financial advice. Shiba Inu is absolutely pumping. Dogecoin is absolutely pumping. If you watched the video yesterday, you would have been ahead of the game. So hopefully y'all took action. So let's take a look at the markets right now. Also, check the links in the description section of this video. I got some free resources down there for y'all, stocks, crypto, for those of y'all just getting started on your investing journey. We got Bitcoin right now at $20,881, up 1.2% for the day, and then up 8.7% for the week. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market cap. So we sitting at 1 trillion, a little over a trillion right now, up 2.19%. If we look at Ethereum, we got Ethereum at 1627, up 4.3% on the day and 23% for the week. So anybody that has been taking advantage of those dips, they are seeing it pay off absolutely. So we got BNB at 304 and 40 cents. Now remember, I told y'all when we just were seeing BNB under 270, 275, I told y'all that's an absolute steal. So congratulations to those who got it. You're up 12.5% on the week on that, and 2% for the day. And then we got XRP at 47 cents right now, almost up 1%. For the week, up 1.8%. Taking a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin just blew everything absolutely out the water for the day. We got Doge up 50% right now. So, hopefully you didn't chase those candles, too much. But even if you did, you still are profitable right now. So Doge sitting at $12.76. Earlier, we seen a little higher. Let's take a look. And the reason we see Dogecoin pumping like this because Elon Musk just purchased Twitter. So now Elon Musk is officially the owner of Twitter. So for y'all that might not know, that is the owner of the car company Tesla. He bought Twitter for $54 billion, if I'm not mistaken. And the entire crypto space is looking at this as bullish for the space in general because he's pro crypto. He is holding Dogecoin. I also told y'all yesterday, we connected a couple dots. I told y'all I was speculating that he was the person that made that $50 million purchase or $45 million purchase on shib, but we're going to look at that in 1 second as well. So we had Doge break all the way up to 15 cents, absolutely bullish. We haven't seen Doge around these prices since, let's take a look, let's go back since, sheesh. We haven't seen Doge around this price since April 25th. That was the last time we seen Doge reach around this level. So absolutely bullish. This is what I mean by, when the market is fearful, it's time to be greedy. And when the market is greedy, it's time to be fearful. Look at how the price pulled back this whole time right here. A lot of people got shaken out. A lot of people got exhausted. A lot of people, paper handed out of their positions at this point right here. And, because it can be hard to be held underwater so long. So, some people even sold as soon as they, seen that red go down just a little bit, or maybe as soon as they broke even, that's when they sold. But you see, if they would have held, it would have had even more profits. So let's take a look at the 24-hour trading volume. We got it at, this is absolutely ridiculous, y'all, $11.5 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours. That's up 260% right now. That is ridiculously bullish. Let's go take a look now at the token of the hour. Before we get there, though, we got Cardano ADA at 42 cents, up 3.2% for the day, 19.9% for the week. We got Solana at $33.04, up 2.3% for the day, and up 17.9% for the week. So absolutely bullish there as well. If you've been snatching, remember I told y'all, any of these top 10, top 20 cryptocurrencies that you've done your due diligence on, you believe in them, you got confidence, then you should be loading your bag at the dip. Now let's see, Polkadot $6.68, up 2.2%, 14% for the day. And then we got Shiba Inu absolutely going crazy right now, up 12% for the day, 32% for the week. Let's take a look closer. Now, obviously, it was pumping a lot harder, earlier in the market. Let's take a look at the candlesticks. We went all the way up to the 16 level. It's kind of crazy how both Doge went to like around 15 cents. And she went right up to this high, 15 level. Almost, well, it didn't quite break into the 16s, but it wanted to. It almost did. But look what happened right here. See the price, it pumped. You got to remember there's green candles green candles or bullish candles, they open up from the bottom like this, and then they close at the top. So we could see the buying pressure throughout this period. This is a day candle. We could even go a little bit closer to see exactly what time frame the majority of this purchase was made. But we could see this candle opened here, push all the way up here to this high 15 level before we started to see people sell off, before it started to receive some significant selling pressure. And then we seen the sellers push it down from this point all the way down to where we are right now, around this 1328 range. Now remember, I told y'all when it dipped under that 9 level, I said that was the time to be loading up, because you're going to see the price back above in these levels, and you're going to wish that you would have bought more, or you're going to wish that you took advantage of that dip. Because now if you have waited to basically pay these prices, you're basically paying 11% on the day extra, or basically like 32 to 40% extra for the week. Let's take a look at the 24-hour trading volume on SHIB. We got it at $2.1 billion right now, up 165%. Y'all, this is absolutely bullish. I don't think this movement has stopped just yet, because a lot of people are excited. A lot of people missed out on this movement. So it may create a second run that, hits people with FOMO. They get that fear of missing out, and then they want to, jump on that bandwagon and chase it and end up pushing prices even further. But always remember, we have a lot of whales that are on the opposite side that are waiting to dump. So this is, this could have been whale selling happening right here too. Think about it. That whale, the whale wallet we were looking at yesterday that made a $45 million purchase, that only took us to around that, mid 11 range. So now, that wallet, if we do the math, just from yesterday, just a rough estimate, at one point, if that whale waited to sell at the top, he made 30% on his money in one day. So let's take a look at that, what that would have been if he would have sold. So 45 million. So 30% gain on 45 million in one day is $13.5 million that whale could have made in one day, y'all. So, obviously we're going to see some type of selling pressure take place when somebody makes, $13 million in one day. So, that's just to be expected. But I don't think this ride is over with yet. So let's take a look. Let's use some of our indicators. Let's look at our Bollinger Bands just to determine what's likely to happen. So we absolutely blasted out of the entire Bollinger Band system. So we can see yesterday the price fell and tapped support right along that mid Bollinger Band. We know the middle Bollinger Band acts as a support level, the upper Bollinger Band acts as a resistance level, and that lower Bollinger Band acts as a support. So we can see volume up ridiculously. We got like maybe 2 to 3 times the volume we've been having, in the previous days. So that's a really good sign as well. Let's take a look at RSI. So our relative strength index is at a 75. So it's absolutely hot right now. Could it come cooling off a little bit more? Yes, it absolutely can. It can come cool off around this maybe 70 level on the RSI chart, which may, it may make us test around. Let's see. Let's take a look at the chart and see where are we likely to find support. So we can see we saw some support here in this 12-14 ranges, around right in this range right here. We can see a couple levels of support. So maybe, and that's also where the upper Bollinger Band is. So maybe it might come down and touch that 12 level if people, start to continue to sell. But I feel that we will hold support at that level. So I'm not really worried about it dropping too far below there. But let's see what else we got. No major updates from the team either. So this is all, hype that we're seeing from the Elon Musk Twitter acquisition. I believe Shiba Inu is receiving sympathy. Let me know in the comment section if you remember my video yesterday when I talked about how SHIB could likely receive sympathy from Doge pumping. And that's exactly what we've seen take place today. But that's pretty much all we got for the video. We're going to check out what the team has going on. I'll update y'all on that. Also, we'll take a look into the community, see what other people are saying about this. But that's pretty much all we got for this video. I got 3 courses available. I got my stock options trading course teaching you how to day trade options in the stock market. If you're ready to take that step, let me know. Reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Then I got my crypto 101 course giving beginner to intermediate level investors a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrency investing. And then we got the technical analysis course, which will teach you how to interpret the data on the chart, so that way you can become a better informed investor. And that's all we got for this video. Appreciate you.